Setting the signal volume. To access the basic settings, press the Set button, located in the lower right-hand corner of the home screen. To adjust the volume, push the speaker icon. Set the desired signal volume with the help of the arrow keys. The selection will be acknowledged by a beep in the chosen volume. Press the Save button to save your settings. To adjust the display brightness, press the Brightness button located in the middle of the top row of icons. Now set the brightness with the help of the arrow keys. The display will adjust in real time as the arrows are pushed to the right to increase the brightness or to the left to lessen the brightness. Press the Save button to save your settings. Setting the time. While in the Settings menu, locate the Time icon on the top row all the way to the right. Now set the current time with the help of the arrow keys. Keep in mind that the BEMER USA standard 24-hour clock is also known as military time. 12 is noon and 24 is midnight. Once the desired time has been selected, press the Save button to save your settings. Removing the plus signal. To remove the plus signal, set up the BEMER session as normal. However, before pressing the Start button, press the button toward the bottom of the screen labeled Plus. Please note that by default, the plus signal is activated. When the plus signal is removed, note the icon near the top middle of the screen is no longer visible. To reactivate the plus signal, simply press the plus button again.